Hello, I'm Jonathan Gus, the product manager for the Hideout division of Keystone RV. Today I'm going to take you through the 186 SS single axle, which is 8 feet wide, giving you more room in the bedroom and bathroom area, and 76 inches tall, which is a little bit taller than your normal single axles. It's going to give you a ton of value and versatility. So we're here inside the 186 SS Hideout single axle. Let me remind you a couple of the really cool features about this. Obviously under 4,000 pounds, so you can tow it with pretty much anything. More ceiling height and width than you're going to see in most single axles. So for that weight, you're getting a lot more square footage in here. And that includes a queen bed in the front that sleeps two, obviously. You have a jackknife sofa, you have a dinette, and both of these fold into sleeping areas. So in this unit, you can sleep up to 6. The really nice part about this unit is all the storage. You got a bank of drawers under here. You got a full pantry cabinet area up here, which is awesome. In this size of a unit, you are not going to get this much storage, and we all know how important storage is when you're RVing. In the bathroom, you still get a full shower. You get a sink, which obviously, as little of a thing that is, a lot of times in single axles, you don't have a dedicated sink in here. You have to actually use the sink in the kitchen area. This is a huge feature for you guys. Moving into the kitchen, you get a nice 6-cube gas electric fridge, a nice amount of countertop space, range, sink, all the amenities. As you walk outside, you're going to enjoy a solid stance step, which you guys have seen coming into the industry semi-recently, which is a lot better way to get in and out of the trailer. Also comes with a great Bluetooth speaker that you can take anywhere. You're going on the four-wheeler, you're taking the golf cart out, you're just outside, you're inside, you can take this anywhere, you can use it, and that comes with the trailer itself. So a really cool feature. Obviously, this is all backed by Keystone's 3-year warranty, which is the best warranty in the industry. And I hope you guys take a chance to look at this on Keystone's website, keystonerv.com. Check it out. It's an awesome unit. Again, the 186 SS. Thank you for your time.